Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Labor Day morning special video update, even though it's a holiday, we want to bring you up to date on the latest information on potential Tropical Storm 7. In other words, it hasn't come together yet, but this thing will become Tropical Storm Gordon later on today. So the questions are, where is it headed? How strong will it be? What is the timeline? How will it affect Alabama? Let's get you up to date on the details. First, let's talk about today's weather, and then we'll talk about that tropical system.
On the map this morning, there's the system that will become Gordon, now just south of Miami, moving off to the northwest, picking up a little bit of speed. It is riding along the base of high pressure. You follow me? The clockwise winds with high pressure over the Carolinas. So that's why it has a straight shot off to the northwest into Louisiana and eventually into Oklahoma. So for us, it's a routine forecast today. There'll be scattered showers and thunderstorms around, maybe in better supply than yesterday, but I've got the rain chances at about 40% with a high temperature in the lower 90s. Tonight's low 73 and a nice easterly breeze again today, 10 to 15 miles per hour. That really helped yesterday. So here's the system this morning. Nice little flare-up of showers and storms, getting a little bit better organized as it moves into the Florida Straits. Hurricane Hunter aircraft will be in there later on this morning to check this system out. And this is the whole cone on potential Tropical Cyclone 7, the future Gordon, as it moves off to the northwest and towards generally towards the Mississippi Gulf Coast and Louisiana Gulf Coast. You can see where it will be tomorrow afternoon at 1 p.m. with 45-mile-an-hour winds about 110 miles south of Pensacola, moving generally towards the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and then at 1 a.m. Wednesday morning, perhaps 60-mile-an-hour winds just north of Lake Pontchartrain as it continues moving off to the northwest. So on the Alabama Gulf Coast, we have a tropical storm warning in effect, and that continues westward to the Mississippi Gulf Coast and southeast Louisiana as well. People are packing their cars up and heading off the coast this morning, and this is a map that shows the potential tropical storm wind gust arrival times. And tomorrow morning, the arrival time will be into the panhandle of Florida. The chances of us seeing tropical storm force winds here in central Alabama are about 10% at best. So we're probably going to have a breezy day Tuesday, but not unusually strong winds. We're seeing the northern precipitation shield on Tuesday moving into our area as well, maybe the potential for flash flooding in some parts of the state. Wednesday morning, the system located right around Jackson, Mississippi, moving off to the northwest and into northern Louisiana Wednesday night at 7 p.m., with showers and thunderstorms shield into Alabama continuing on Wednesday. On Thursday, it's back to a routine forecast with scattered showers and thunderstorms, and Gordon will be just a footnote in history. So showers and thunderstorms, I've got a 50% chance in Tuesday. We may have to go up on that. It'll be a breezy day, high 88. Then back to that standard 30% chance on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, maybe slightly higher chances on Saturday. We have another system out there in the Atlantic. It's named Florence. Will it be picked up by a trough and whisked away, or will it not be picked up by a trough and head towards the United States? Well, some of the models are indicating it may not be picked up, and it may be a problem for the Middle Atlantic states down the line. So we'll continue to keep an eye on Florence as well. Hey, our weather app's going to be very handy for you to keep up with the tropics and to see on the radar where the storms are, plus watches and warnings instantly for wherever you are located. Get it on your phone or tablet today. It's going to be your best friend. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather.
So the National Hurricane Center will be issuing additional advisories as the day goes on today. They have significant full advisories at 10 a.m. and at 4 p.m. with an intermediate advisory at 1 p.m. So on one of those, we'll find out when Gordon will actually get its name. The Hurricane Hunter aircrafts will be out in the system this morning checking the environment out. There will be another blog update, of course, later on in the day as I bring you up to date on the latest as this storm changes status later. Of course, my forecast whenever you want it across the dial, even on Labor Day on the Blue Water family of stations. There'll be another video update, I should say, tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And everything's normal tomorrow. Back live on the radio, back on CBS 8 and ABC 32 as well tomorrow morning. Have a good day today. Happy Labor Day. We'll keep you up to date, okay?
Rich Thomas Weather.